In this video, we will show you how to replace a power module in a Symmetra Power Array. You will need a screwdriver and a new Symmetra Power Module. Start by removing the front bezel of the UPS. Next, remove the necessary front bezels in order to get to the correct power module you wish to replace. Unscrew the bottom right screw holding the power module in, and then lift up and slide the power module out of the bay. Next, slide the new power module into the bay, and then re-screw the bottom right screw holding the power module in. You may now put back on the front bezels of the UPS and the front display.